Your vehicle offers an additional layer of protection with reverse parking collision avoidance assist. Using the ultrasonic sensors inside the rear bumper, as well as the rear view camera, this feature will help warn the driver if any pedestrians or objects are detected within a certain distance of the vehicle while moving at low speeds in reverse. If necessary, the system may assist in braking to help avoid a collision. Your vehicle also has parking distance warning, which additionally can detect objects near the front and sides of the vehicle and issue a warning only. Remember, it's always the driver's responsibility to be aware of their surroundings and to operate the vehicle safely. If you want to temporarily disable the assisted braking, press and hold the parking safety button to turn it off. Press and hold it again to turn it back on. Quick tip: warning volume and active functions can be personalized in the parking safety and warning methods section in your vehicle setup menus. For more information on this and many other available features, please refer to your Hyundai Owner's Manual.